Goku. Yeah. Goku soda. Yeah.
Ang liit.
Opo, ang liit.
Oh, I like this plate. Oh, Gami, I like this plate.
Opo. How about this? Yung pang Korean barbecue. Yeah.
Ooh, can I buy it?
Yung mga plate sa Japan, like this. Tim, you like it? Pang soup?
Look! Genie!
Genie. Okay.
Genie teacup.
String. Look at this. String.
Oh, small. Oh, look, Cobra.
Oh, look, oh. Ano, embudo.
Wait, what's this? I need it for my son.
Okay.
I thought this was paper.
Gift wrap? I don't know.
Oh, this is what you need.
Oh, yeah.
I found it.
Okay. Huh? Wall clock.
Tom and Jerry.
What? Where? Oh, yeah. What else? What else can we find sa Daiso? Japanese store.
How to spin? Spoon. What chopsticks?
You know how to use chopsticks?
Teeth. Double-sided brush teeth.
What's that pang brush ng teeth?
Ouch.
Pang ano mo, pang pencil. Pencil case. Yeah?
Ooh, I wanna get this.
Okay.
I wanna get these.
It's a lot of stickers.
I'll share them with my friends.
Okay. There's more here. Oh. Daming stickers. Mini stove, diba? Lighter.
I'm not gonna make a stove. We're gonna make a waterfall.
Okay.
No stickers.
Moana? Oh yeah. What is that?
Concert paper. Concert sticker.
Okay.
Ooh, I like this one.
Okay.
Love it.
Alin? Stickers?
Mommy, Daddy. Especially for that, I have a mustache.
Mustache.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. Okay.
Watch out, it's perfectly. Mario.
Okay.
Don't forget your ukulele. Look ahead.
Okay.
I'm looking for this.
Okay.
I'm looking for this. Oh, it's my drawing, so I don't get paper notebooks.
Okay.
Oh, I like this. I like this color.
But pinwheel.
Look, how did my phone get here? Oh,
Opo.
how did the phone get here?
Okay.
This is perfect.
Okay. Buy again.
That one's your spot. I let.
Ito rin daw.
That's it for my big projects, drawings.
Okay.
That's for my big drawings. Sometimes I'm gonna put my stickers in there.
You're gonna sequester my stuff again.
Yeah! This is 10 kilograms.
Okay. That's not. That's 1 kilogram. Daming toys, oh. Japanese toys. O baka meron dito yung wina-watch mo, yung Japanese na toys, yung Marble Rush. Marble Run ba yun? Yeah? Slimy. Oh.
Ooh!
What's that?
This is what I want.
Okay.
This is what I'm looking for, time.
Time. Okay.
This is what I'm looking for.
Oh, meron? Sana pala dito lang tayo bumili.
What is this?
I don't know. Japanese yata yan, yung letter.
Bakit siya nga?
Mga trucks.
Stolen garbage truck.
Yes.
Mini.
Jet. Jet plane. Fly mo. This is what we bought sa Amazon. Meron pala here. Takoyaki sauce. Look at this. Nag-buy pa tayo. Sana hindi na tayo nag-buy, no? Siomai sauce. Hmm?
I can buy the.
Where?
See the green things?
Okay. Para hindi tumalsik yung mantika. What's up, pambomba? Oh yeah, is it? Oh yeah, you're right. Toilet brush. But it's not pang bomba, it's pang brush lang. Money ng Japan. Like this. Yen. Ang name ng ano nila, yen.
Items without prices are just $2.25. Prices for items priced in yen can be found on our handy Daiso price guide located in every aisle. Please ask.
Confetti balloons.